Let's create some shop page, so where we will be displaying all the products that we have added here. So let me create one div, one anchor tag, products href index.html. Just copying the same shop and cart for this cart and shop.html. So currently we don't have shop.html and cart.html files, but we are going to create shop.html also. Shop.html and cart.html. I just copy and pasted cart.html. Okay, so let me just copy all the code from here and just add it here, but we are just going to remove this save stuff from here, and we will be having the same header here also. Header part, this one is header part, and this is also repeated header part. Code, name, price, description, action, and table body. Here we are going to use shop.js. We don't have shop.js. Same, we are going to copy and paste shop.js. So we are going to remove all these functionalities except the display products. So display products, we need a display product function in order to display the products in table. Okay, so selected the products, we don't need display products. Yeah, that's it. So now I'm going to refresh this page and I can see the menu here. So when I click the shop, it will be redirected to the shop page, and we can now see the list of carts. And here, instead of edit and delete button, let me add one button, which is add to cart. And here on click function, instead of delete product, I am adding add to cart function and then passing the index. So before this, I am just writing function. You can write a function anywhere, but for me I am just writing the function here. You can write function here also, that doesn't matter. Add it to cart and index index or idx, anything we can name. I pass idx. I name it actually I use idx because it is my favorite name. So now I'm creating another one variable, cart items array. So whenever I click add to cart button here, this function will get executed. So when I click this button, this on click event will trigger, and this on click event will call add to cart function, and we are passing index as a parameter. So it will come here. So from here we can get product directly from the PRODS table and push that p.qty equals to 1. By default I am setting quantity equals to 1, and cart items dot push product. Simple, that's it. And let me add one second, let me add here cart, let me add span here and id cart item count. By default value will be 0 static, and here document dot get element by id cart item count dot inner html cart items dot length. Simple, that's it. Add to cart is done. So add it to cart items, this will be displaying here. Now refresh, add it to cart, you see 1 2 3, right? So now, but when we refresh, it will get refreshed, right? So now we are going to save that cart items in local storage. Local storage dot set item cart items. You see, now I am using different keyword now, cart item. So we cannot store array directly in our local storage. So we are going to use json dot stringify method to convert the array into string for the storing purpose. Yeah, we have stored the cart items in local storage successfully now. Also, now let's go and refresh, add it to cart. You see, cart items created now. So let me add second items, third item. You see the count also, right? But when we refresh, we have the cart items, but still we see this cart is 0. Okay, so in this case, we have to write the same code like we did it for the products. Just after the display products, just like this, get the cart items from the local storage and convert it in the cart items. And if we have the cart items, just this code again, the count displaying code, same code, we are repeating the same code only again and again. So now that's it. So this 4 lines or 5 lines will do the magic for us. If now we refresh, you see the cart is 3 because of the code, the last 5 number of code, right? The 5 lines of code that we added, that does the magic here. But if you go to the shop page or products page, you see, if you go to the products page, you cannot see the cart count. But if you come to the cart page, shop page, we can see the cart count, because in products page we have not written any code to display the cart items number. So in products page also we can use the same code here. Just copy this code and put that here. Now we can able to see the count in products page as well. Okay, here we don't have, we did not provided the ID. So just copy this and add this here. You can understand, right? Previously we did we have not specified this span element and ID cart item count. That's why it was not displaying any data. Now you can see the count here. So in products page and the shop page and cart page. So we have to write the cart page now. Yeah, that's why. So cart page, products page. Yeah, you can see. And now I am adding the cart, another one, 4. So if I go to the products page, you can see the product also. So for the understanding purpose, we can add some title like H1 products page, and this one is shop products shop. It is, oh, it went there. Let it be here. Let me move these products before the headers so that it will look nice little bit. Products and shop, products and shop. You see, now we are going to write cart. So cart, the same cart.html. So just copy the shop.html code and paste it here. Same, and we can use the same shop.js file here, I think. So let it be. Let's see how it is works. You see, so whatever values we have added in here, it is displaying here. But the thing is, inside the shop.js we are displaying the data from the products, but the thing is we need to display the data from the cart item. So that's why we are going to create one new JS, cart.js, and we are going to use the cart.js inside the cart.html, because in shop.js we are getting the products the products from the local storage and displaying that in table. But here we need to display the data from the cart items, right? So we have to display the data, the cart items data in this table for the cart page. So that's why we have created one new JS, cart.js. Here we will change the name cart cart. I have changed the name here, and cart.js. So inside the cart.js, I am just changing the name. Instead of products, I have just added a cart items, and we will be having no function. I just removed this function. So getting the cart items, string cart items. I am just changing the variable based on the functionality. String cart items instead of products, cart items, cart items, cart items for each, and here on click event, so we don't need the on click event, table body, and display products. So let it be like this, and cart items dot length, cart items dot length. Okay, yeah, cart items dot length. Okay, yeah, that's it. So now we are getting the data from cart items and displaying that cart items objects here. So cart items, which means nothing, it is just added the product, right? The whatever products we have added to cart, that products we are getting from the local storage and displaying it here. So shop, so I'm coming back to the shop, add to cart, 5 products. So if I come to the cart page, I can see the 5 products now. So now we need one option to remove the cart items from the cart, right? So for that, instead of add to cart, let me add button remove, and the same on click function remove, and same in pass the index. So when we write the remove, let me write function remove, and same index again. So from the cart items dot splice, I pass the index and 1. Yeah, it got removed the particular object from the cart items. Then again we have to store the data in database. So let me go back to the place where we are saving the data. Yeah, you can see a set item here. So copy this and paste it here, and change the key name here, and again display products. Simply it does the stuff, right? The same stuff whatever we have done here, we are doing the same here also. So delete product, we are doing the same thing. For the delete product also we have to do the same stuff. So first let us complete this cart page. Okay, so we have the 5, removed 4, 3, 2, refresh, cart item is 2. Oh, it was not updated because we have not written the code for that cart.js, and also we have to update the count, right? So add the count also here. Display products, we don't need to add this here. So display products, yeah. So shop, add to cart 4, 5, 6. Here removing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Shop, again add to cart 3. Remove this product to, yeah, products page. So when I delete the product, it got deleted and it got updated again. But you see again the third product has come here, because this one has some bug. The home page where we are adding the products, right? So this page has one bug, because while we are deleting the record, we are not updating the local storage. So we have just missed that part. So let us fix that bug. In index, while we are deleting the data, we are just splice, but the thing is we have to update the local storage like this. We have to update the local storage, and we can call the display products here also. We do, because we are using the same code again and again in all the places, right? Save product, delete product, right, and update. So for all the places we are using the same function, same code. That's why what we are doing is we have just created one common function, display products. We have added that code inside this display product function, and wherever we need, we are just calling this function only. So this function will call the code. So instead of this, we can just call this basic function. You see, so this is the code reusability. So I already told you guys. So we are using the same code. You see, display products here, here, here. So 3 places we are using the same code. So that's why we have just created the common function, and we are calling the function wherever we need. So now this bug is also resolved. So delete, it is deleted the product from the local storage also. Now you see, shop, add to cart. So everything is working fine.